Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have our 2018 Subaru BRZ Coupe, stock reference number 4437. This shape runs from the 7th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side and the left front. We have the right hand headlight, LED type, left power door mirror. Left door has a couple of small dents and some light wobbles throughout the centre of the door. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have a left aftermarket tail light, sold as a pair. Boot lid appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy bumper cover, light crease, and a few scuffs on the left hand side. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have the power window master switch. It's fitted with black leather and cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav head unit, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.